Imagine you're walking down a bustling street lined with shops. Some stores have eye-catching displays that draw you in, while others blend into the background. The digital world works similarly. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how businesses can stand out online through effective digital marketing strategies. Specifically, we'll learn about SEO, search engine optimization, social media, and content marketing. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the basics of SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing. Recognize how these strategies interact to create a comprehensive digital marketing plan. Apply these concepts to real-world scenarios. Let's start with SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages, abbreviated as SERPs, and attract more organic traffic. Think about how often you go beyond the first page of Google search results. Rarely, right? That's why appearing on the first page is crucial. Companies use SEO strategies to improve their rankings by focusing on keywords, website structure, and content quality. Imagine you're setting up a store in a huge mall. SEO is like getting a prime spot near the entrance where more people can see you. Take the example of Moz, a company that provides SEO tools. They invested heavily in optimizing their website and content, ensuring they ranked highly for relevant keywords. This effort paid off, driving significant traffic to their site and establishing them as an authority in SEO. Now, let's discuss social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms to connect with your audience, build your brand, and promote your products or services. Consider how brands like Nike use Instagram. They post engaging content, interact with followers, and run targeted ad campaigns. Social media allows them to reach a global audience and create a community around their brand. Think of social media as a town square where people gather to share news and stories. Having a presence here lets you engage with your audience directly. Remember the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge? It went viral on social media, raising awareness and millions of dollars for ALS research. This campaign showed the power of social media in spreading a message quickly and widely. Finally, let's explore content marketing. This strategy focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. HubSpot is a great example. They provide a wealth of free content, including blogs, ebooks, and webinars that educates their audience on marketing best practices. This not only establishes HubSpot as an industry leader, but also drives traffic to their site and generates leads. Content marketing is like hosting a free workshop in your store. You provide value upfront, build trust, and attract potential customers. Think about the rise of influencer marketing. Influencers create content that resonates with their followers, and brands partner with them to reach new audiences in an authentic way. This collaboration benefits both the influencer and the brand, driving engagement and sales. Understanding and integrating these strategies can create a powerful, cohesive digital marketing plan that drives traffic, engagement, and conversations. As future marketers, mastering these digital strategies will be crucial for your success. Always remember that the digital landscape is dynamic and constantly evolving, so stay curious and adaptable. Choose a business or product and develop a digital marketing strategy using SEO, social media, and content marketing. Outline specific tactics for each strategy and explain how they will help achieve the business's goal. For further reading, I recommend Digital Marketing for Dummies by Ryan Dice and Russ Henneberry. It offers practical insights and tips for implementing effective digital marketing strategies.